Hey there, Licknriffers! How are you doing? I hope you're excited as I am to open this video because the title, Join Me Live Tomorrow, is something that I've been waiting to announce for the past month. Okay, because that's how long we've been working on this. And by we, I mean me and the Graphy team. Okay, I don't know if you remember, but for the beginners among you, I have released a 7-hour full beginner course a couple of months ago on the Graphy platform. And now that I started Licknriff Electric, Graphy turned to me and said, hey, why don't we make a beginner live series on electric guitar? Everything that has to do with electric guitar, from A to Z, from what the knobs on your amp does, to soloing techniques, tapping, jazz chords, what the whammy bar does, everything that has to do with the electric guitar from A to Z, okay, from complete beginner. And I told them that's a wonderful idea because A, it's gonna be live, okay, starting tomorrow, Saturday, again, 8 p.m. IST or 9 a.m. US time. Okay, I'm gonna go live on Graphy. Okay, so check the link in the description and go grab your spot, because if you use my discount code, okay, the discount code should appear automatically, but in case it doesn't, if you use my discount code, ASAFLEV, okay, wonder why they kept the Avi out of the name, ASAFLEV Avi, but that's the discount code, ASAFLEV. If you use it, right, you get a huge discount on your Graphy subscription or a free trial, so you can join the live session and try it out. Now, I highly recommend joining the Graphy platform because not only does it have my complete beginner, my 7-hour complete beginner course, okay, to help you get up to speed on everything to do with acoustic guitar, okay, I'm gonna go live every week. Okay, tomorrow on Saturday is going to be the first session, and every Sunday after that is going to be a different chapter. So right now we're planning 25 chapters. So for the next 6 months, okay, we've been working on it for the past couple of months, but for the next 6 months, you're going to have me live on the Graphy platform for 1 hour every Sunday. Okay, but we're gonna start tomorrow on Saturday, just this once. Okay, so join me and learn electric guitar with me. Now, I'm super excited because I just started Licknriff Electric. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. There's a new lick every day in 11 different genres. And remember how I keep telling you, if you're having trouble with the material here on Licknriff, or if you want to try my Complete Guitar Freedom course series, but you feel you're not yet ready for that level, then you have the Sprite Chord Graphy on the Graphy platform, the 7-hour beginner course. Now I can also teach you the electric guitar to bring you up to speed if you need it, in order for you to learn what I have on Licknriff Electric. So this is terrific. This is exactly what I needed for the Licknriff ecosystem, and trust me, I have so much more in store for you, and I want to thank Graphy for giving me this opportunity and the platform and the technology, the technologic assistance to do this. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have so much fun, and all I can do is invite you to join me. Invite you to join me on the From Zero to Hero electric guitar series live on Graphy starting tomorrow, Saturday, 8 p.m. IST. Okay, so make sure you use my link in the description so you can get the discount or the free trial. And if you don't see the code punch in ASAFLEV and get your discount, okay, your Licknriffer discount. So I can't wait to see you there. And we're gonna plug in this guitar and rock away. Okay, see you there. I'm gonna try to get some sleep now.